Hello everybody, my name is Achinta Sharma and today I am going to show you how you can create your own calculator app in MIT App Inventor. So I am going to show you. So you require two text box for typing the numbers and doing the operations, and you will require four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and subtraction. So for that you'll require two text box. For first, drag and drop two text box over here like this. Now drag and drop one label from here. Now you are done. Now go to layout and drag one horizontal alignment and make the width as fill parent. Okay. Now go to user interface, drag four buttons over here. 1, 2, 3. Now as you'll notice that the third button is covering the full, so you have to go like this and just place it. You can see it has come over here. Now you have to rename it in the components as well in the properties to get the button over here. So in the properties, go and rename this one as plus. I've renamed it to plus. Okay, I've renamed it to plus. Now I'm going to rename this one to subtraction. So this one is also done. Now rename this. For this multiplication sign, you need to press shift plus 8 and you'll get it. Now for this one you will require this division sign. Okay, we are done. Now we need to rename it over here, so I'm going to rename it as addition. I've done. Now this one as subtraction. Okay, I'm done with this. Now you can rename it like DV because I wanted to make it shorter, so you can name it like multi, like if you want not it to become very big. So I'm going to rename this as subtraction. So I've renamed it, and this one is going to be renamed as multiplication. Okay, I'm done. Now this one is going to be renamed as division. So okay, you are done with your this one. Now you need to just make it bold. Okay, so you have to make bold. You have to make this bold. So now see, I've done it. Now let's go to the code. So let's go to the code over here. So now you'll require one plus block. So as we have renamed it, you can select this one if you want, like so, like I can do like run addition, and you have to go here and set label text. So set label text, you have to search for set label text, and this is it. Okay, this is it. I've fitted it. Now you need to take an addition block. So go to maths and drag and drop this addition block. Okay, you have to search for the addition block and drag and drop this one. Now take this one and text box one text. So you can just drag and drop this and go here, and you can make it like text. Then you have to put it in over here, and same I'm going to do the copy. So copy it and make sure you make it like text box 2. So you are done with this. Now we are going to copy and paste it again. Now I'm going to make this as subtraction, and we are going to remove this block because it is a subtraction. So we are going to delete this one, and instead of that addition block, you are going to require a subtraction block. So now you have to do the same. Now you are going to drag and copy it. One more time I'm going to copy it because you have to write it 4 times. So now make this as multiplication, and you have to again remove this. You can like change it in the starting or you can remove it. It's upon you, but I'm removing and putting again. So I'm going to take this one, and again I'm going to change this one. Now and this one is going to be division. So division 1, this one you have to drag and drop this one. Okay, you're done with your calculator app. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like my video. Please like my video.